Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the fascinating world of open source software. Today, we'll delve into one of the key benefits of open source, collaboration. So let's dive in and discover how collaboration sets open source apart from closed source alternatives. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Collaboration lies at the very heart of the open source movement. Unlike closed-source software, which is often developed within the confines of a single organization, open-source software thrives on a community of passionate individuals coming together to collectively enhance the technology. It's like a global collaboration party, where everyone is invited to contribute and make a difference. One of the remarkable aspects of open-source software is its ability to bring together developers from diverse backgrounds. The open source community transcends geographical boundaries and connects individuals who share a common interest in advancing the software. It's a melting pot of ideas, experiences, and expertise, creating an environment where collaboration flourishes. When you have a community of developers working on the same software, the benefits are immense. Bugs and issues are identified and fixed more rapidly than in closed-source software. The collective eyes of the community ensure that no stone is left unturned when it comes to refining and improving the software. This collaborative effort results in a higher quality product that continuously evolves based on the needs and feedback of the users. Collaboration in the open source world extends beyond just bug fixes and enhancements. It also fosters a spirit of shared knowledge and learning. Developers can freely exchange ideas, insights, and best practices. This culture of openness fuels continuous learning and growth within the community. It's a space where individuals can expand their skills, contribute to meaningful projects, and engage with like-minded enthusiasts. Open source projects often have dedicated communication channels such as forums, mailing lists, and chat platforms where developers can connect and collaborate in real time. These channels serve as vibrant hubs of discussion and knowledge sharing. Whether you're seeking guidance, sharing your expertise, or engaging in constructive debates, these platforms facilitate interaction and foster a sense of camaraderie among community members. Another remarkable aspect of open source collaboration is its inclusivity. Open source software welcomes contributions from anyone, regardless of their background or experience level. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a student, or simply passionate about a project, there's a place for you in the open source community. This inclusive nature not only promotes diversity, but also ensures that fresh ideas and perspectives are embraced and integrated into the software. Collaboration in open source goes beyond just writing code. There are many ways to contribute, even if you're not a developer. You can help with documentation, translation, user support, testing, and more. Every contribution, big or small, has a significant impact on the overall success of an open source project. It's a true testament to the power of collaboration and the strength that comes from collective effort. The collaborative nature of open source software fosters a sense of ownership and empowerment among its users. It's not just about using the software, it's about actively participating in its development and improvement. Open source encourages individuals to become active contributors and problem solvers. It's an environment where you can take ownership of the technology you rely on and shape it according to your needs. In summary, collaboration is at the core of open source software. It brings together a diverse community of developers who work collectively to improve and enhance the technology. Collaboration accelerates bug fixes, fosters knowledge sharing, promotes inclusivity, and empowers users to take an active role in the development process. It's an inspiring ecosystem where the collective efforts of individuals drive innovation and create remarkable software. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the collaboration benefit of open source software. We hope you found this information enlightening and that it has deepened your understanding of the power of collaboration in the open source world. Stay tuned for more videos where we continue to uncover the benefits of open source. Until then, take care and keep collaborating.